Hello dear creative, you're welcome back to the channel Westside Creation, the home of creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sew a simple traveling bag from the comfort of your home. So we need our leather material, we need our tape rule, we need our scissors, we need our zip head, we need our belt, we need our zip clothes and our lining. So the measurements we're using for this bag is 18 by 27. So the width is 27, the length is 18. So I'll go in by 3 inches on the four sides of the leather material. So this is how it will look like after cutting it. So I'll cut my zip clothes and also my lining. So I'll start by cutting my belt for the handle. The measurement is 43 by 1.5. So I have two of it. So after cutting it, make sure it's at the middle of the material. So I measure 12 inches from the bottom to the top of the material. That is where I want my handle to be. So I'll take it to the sewing machine, I'll sew it and bring it back. So this is it. After sewing it, this is how it will look like. Then you sew your zip clothes and your lining on the leather material and you top stitch it. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it and bring it back. You attach your lining to it and you sew it. So this is it after sewing it. Next is to fix your zip head. So this is it. After fixing the zip head, then you turn it to the other side and you sew the edges, you sew the open parts. So after sewing it, I'm going to use my belt to cover it so that it will be neat. So this is it. So I'm going to open it to the other side so you see how it will look like. So if you have watched up to this part and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe bell and don't forget to turn on your notification. Thank you. Thank you to my returning subscribers, to my new subscribers. Thank you all for watching my video. So this is the outcome of the bag. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.